What's up folks, in this short video, I will show you how to enable or disable password autofill service on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So, let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down. After that, tap on General Management. Now, scroll down again. Here you will see the password, passkeys, and autofill option. Now, tap on it. After that, tap on the preferred service. Now, here you can see the none option right there. Just tap on it to disable the password autofill service. If you want to turn it back again, then tap on any preferred service like Samsung Pass or Google. After that, tap on OK. So guys, this is how you can enable or disable password autofill service on your Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section below. Thanks a bunch.